Hello everyone, I hope you are having a beautiful day. It's been a while since I created a tutorial on jelly printing. Today I'm masking the jelly plates. I put 3 plates together and will pull multiple prints as I use each color. By doing this, you create an outline of the shapes and the colors just build around the hearts as you go. It's important you make sure your mask or stuck to your plate. You will see later in the video that mine come up a couple of times. I use my die cuts to make these masks and use a type of synthetic paper like Yupa paper you use for alcohol inks. I used about 8 or 9 different colors, so I didn't record the entire time. Just giving you the idea and using different types of papers. I even used old prints I didn't like or scraps just to cover up. I got a couple of prints I'm very happy with. As you can see, sometimes that masks can come up on the brayer. You just have to keep an eye on things as you roll across the jelly plates. I finally bought some medical exam paper, and it arrived as I was filming this and was so excited to use it. That was my last pull, and now it's time to remove all the mask to see what I created. As you can see at the end, when I pulled the final print, I missed a mask on my largest plate.
Ha ha ha.
I know some of you have seen me do this before, but I'm using a used tea bag to pull the smallest print here. I really like the texture and how it comes out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for supporting independent artists. Don't forget hit the like button and subscribe.